This is the bulk field terminated HDMI cable per foot. This bulk HDMI cable is used to terminate HDMI assemblies quickly and easily in the field. It allows installers in both commercial and residential areas to use HD signals without converting the whole system. This HDMI cable can support up to 1080p at 12 meters or up to 20 meters with an HDMI extender. It is designed to work with our HDMI field terminated connectors. Used in conjunction with our HDMI Crimp Tool, this special cable makes HDMI quick and easy to install in any location.
For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.